Welcome to our eVidya classes. So students, previous classes we have discussed the sound, what is sound and how it is produced. Okay. So now we will discuss about how a sound will make different sounds. Okay, how this sound make a different sounds, not only one sound. Now I am talking with you very politely and I am explaining with you also politely, you can say. But there are some other sounds are there which make you happy, which make you also unpleasant, and which you give also peaceful. So we will discuss about this type of sounds which makes us peaceful, which sounds are makes us very unpleasant, and which sounds makes us very pleasant also. So let's start, students. So here you see our world is full of different sounds. Some soft, some loud, some pleasant, some unpleasant, and some soft and pleasant sounds soothes us, loud and unpleasant us, irritate us. Yes or no? You might have experienced that when your home is very near to a railway station, always railway sound will be come and it will irritate you. If some loudly speaker will be going on near to your home, it will also irritate us. Yes or no? So loud speaker or loud voice always irritate us. Okay, but singing song or listening a very slow sound song or listening a birds chirping, it is also pleasant sound. Yes or no? So some sounds are there which makes us very irritated, and some sounds are there which makes us very pleasant, very peaceful. Okay, like this we all the human beings very like to listen the songs. Okay, so like this how a unpleasant sounds make us irritate, along with it makes us noise towards our environment. So these we are going to study, students. So let's discuss. Before going to discuss little bit, I will give information about here, students. Sound refers to anything that can be heard. Sound refers to anything that can be heard, whether it is made by speaking or by striking a note or a guitar or by dropping a stone in water. Okay, any types of sound can be produced. Whether I am talking with you now, I am explaining with you, that is also a sound, and by striking a note. Okay, on a guitar. Okay, when you will use guitar, when you will strike a note on guitar, it is also a sound, and by dropping a stone in water, it is also one type of sound. So sounds help us to communicate. Sounds help us to communicate. Understood? So now we are going to discuss, students, some sound which makes us irritated, along with these sound will makes the environment noise. So what is noise sound, student? Which sound will make us very irritate us? Okay, which is not pleasant, which we cannot listen very carefully. Which sound which not only gives the pleasant to our humankind, not only humankind, the whole environment. Clear, students? So let's start. Let us visit a construction, and you might have that experience that you would have experience when you will go for any visited any construction site. Then you will listen different machines sound, that is dredger or mixer machine and grinder machine, cutter machine. So it will make very unpleasant sound. Along with it makes us very irritated, which will make very noise towards our environment. Okay, this type of sound also not good for our health or our ear. We all live in peace and comfort in our homes. Yes or no? Always we need comfortable and peaceful life. Always. But did you ever think how noise the process construction of your house was? Okay, you might have heard that experience when construction is going on, or any cutting process is going on, any iron pieces is cutting on, or any other kinds of things which will cutter through the grinder machine or cutter machine, or otherwise when if you have a grinder machine in your home, when you will grinding something, how was this noise, and how is this noise very noisefully, very irritateful? This type of when take up a plane, how it is the sound very noisy. Okay, which makes us very irritated. Understood, students? I hope all of you have come across this type of experienced, okay, some sounds which makes us very irritated, or that is called noisy, and some sounds are which makes us very pleasant, which through which we can live like a peaceful life. Yes or no? So also you have come across student that is called DJ. Nowadays any procession if you will going on, we will use DJ. Okay, so that DJ sound will make us very irritated, along with it makes the noise environment. Clear students? So what we have discussed student, once again I will repeat. So the sun is our only natural source of light. We can see things when light falls off them. Now I can read here because light is there. I will close the door. The light will be off and the light cannot pass into my room, and you cannot able to see this video because of darkness. So I can read the books now. I can explain you. You can also see this what I am teaching because of light is falling down on this paper. So with the help of our eyes we can see this. Understood students? So light always travel in a straight line. Light always travel in a straight line student. Okay, always straight line, not only in wave form, not like this. Okay, always when you put a torch in dark night, you can able to see the light always travel in a straight line. So shadow are formed only when an object blocks the path of light. You know, just before I explained, shadow only created when the path of light is blocked by a object. So light when cannot pass through a object, then shadow will be created behind it. Clear? So sounds are produced when something vibrate on shakes. It is very important student. Before only I explained you, sound only produced when the object vibrate and shake student. Now I am talking my sound, some sounds are coming to the air will be vibrate, it reaches to you. So that air is vibrating. So if a object will be vibrate or shake, then sound will be produced. Until sound never ever produced. See, now I put a pencil. Can the pencil making any sound? No. When I will beat it, when I will strike it, then you can able to hear a sound, because when it vibrate, when I will strike it is vibrate, then when it vibrate it makes sound. Understood students? So until it is rest, it will not make any sound. Clear students? So sounds can be soft, loud and pleasant or unpleasant. It is very important student. Sound can be soft, can be loud, can be pleasant, can be unpleasant. Okay, soft or loud, pleasant or unpleasant. Loud and unpleasant we can say that is makes noise. What? N-O-I-S-E, noise student. Okay, the sound which makes loud and unpleasant, that type of sound we can say it is a noise sound which damage our ears along with our environment. Clear students? So this is all about the sound students. I hope all of you clear about this, and you watch this video, try to understand and listen student. Very soon your exam is there. You got the timetable, I think 19 April onwards your exam is there. So try to study whatever video we will send, go through this and try to revision the workbook. Okay, after video I will send the photocopy of workbook. You have to go through this, practice 2-3 times, multiple times you practice, then you will be able to write, okay, in your exam. So thank you students, take care, thank you.